we're gonna make meringue cookies. 오늘 우리 머랭 쿠키 만들어 볼 거야. Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Yes. So now I'm gonna let you know what we need. 이제 뭐가 필요한지 알려줄게. We need two eggs, a cup of what is it? Sugar, right? Sugar and lemon, and food coloring. We're gonna use the blue one. 우리 블루로 만들 거야. And for the first step, let's separate the egg whites and egg yolk. 자, 이거를 흰자랑 노른자랑 분리해야 되거든. Can you do it? No? Okay. Let's separate. Oh yes. You can use the egg shell to toggle the egg yolk back and forth like this.
Wow.
이렇게 왔다 갔다 하면서 분리할 수 있어. So let's try it again. Okay. Oh yeah. Back and forth like this. Okay. So I'm ready. Back and forth toggle the egg yolk. Okay, stop it. And now let's squeeze the lemon to get some lemon juice. 레몬즙이 필요하거든. So let's squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze. Okay, so let me see. 어디 한번 보자. Alright, so let's see.
Wow.
Oh yeah, you did very well. Wow, there are lemon juice. 여기 레몬즙이 생겼어. So let's add. 이거를 섞어줄 거야. Alright, so now Rebecca, can you mix? Can you mix it? Yes. So let's use the hand mixer. Ready? Go. Our egg whites are fluffy. 여기 봐봐. 지금 fluffy. 이렇게 거품이 많이 생겼지? So it's the time to add the sugar. 이제 이 설탕을 집어넣을 차례거든. So please add the sugar slowly while you are mixing. 너희가 이렇게 섞으면서 조금씩 설탕을 넣는 거야. Okay? So please help me. Ready, set, go. Mix it until it's at the stiff peak. 되게 이렇게 뻑뻑한 느낌이 될 때까지 계속 믹스하는 거야. So can you set? Like this. What's the next step?
With the coloring.
Yes, you add the food coloring. So this is, what color is it?
Blue.
Yes, it's blue. It's a blue. Just a drop.
1 drop.
2 drops. Okay. And please mix it with the spoon. Okay, mix it. 이제 섞어줘.
Yeah.
Yes, mix it. Mix, 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 mix.
Mix,
Mix, mix, mix. Wow, please look at this.
Yummy.
It looks yummy. I've got the piping bag and tip ready. 선생님 이렇게 짤주머니랑 팁이 준비가 됐거든. And now let's fill the piping bag. Please use the cup like this. 이런 컵을 사용하면 좋아. Please fill. Fill, 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 fill. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, fill, fill, fill.
Oh.
Wow. And please, Rebecca, please stop. And now park on the oven tray. 이제 이렇게 오븐 트레이에다가 이렇게 짜주면 돼. Please park on the oven tray. Ready, go. Ta-da! Please bake it for 1.5 hours in the oven at 100 degrees. 100도에서 1시간 반 동안 구워주면 돼. And then you can enjoy that. It's yummy. Enjoy it. Bye bye.